Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Court Love. If you new here, hey girl, hey. In this video, I am showing y'all how I do the Gel X nails. I love doing my own nails. I think I'm a little nail tech for real, but but anyway, yes, I am doing this from start to finish. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video, because you know when you like this video, it helps my channel get pushed out even more. And make sure you comment down below and tell me how you like this, girl, because girl, I know I'm a nail tech for real. Anyway, just watch my moves and let's get into this video. I apologize, y'all, if I'm not in frame and you can't see certain angles. I wasn't being mindful when I was recording this, but I hope y'all get the gist of how I do everything. So listen to this music, girl.
It's not that I don't want you here. Yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. No. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you come through. I think I need you here.
So first I applied the dehydrator to my nail, and then I applied the primer, and this just ensures that the nail will not lift and it will last about a good 2 weeks.
We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think you wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you.
And now I'm filing down my nails to give it a more natural look. And this is the finished look. I love how this turned out. It took so long to do because I was recording. But anyway, I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you give this a thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, y'all. Bye.